How to create Facebook page for content creator. So if you want to create a Facebook page for a content creator, then what you need to do is first you need to launch your Facebook application. After launching, you can just simply go with an account. Make sure that you've logged into your Facebook. After opening your Facebook, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And here you need to go with see more, and you will have the pages section. So you need to tap on pages and you need to tap on create, which is on the upper left. And from here you can go with a public page, because if you are creating a Facebook page for a content creator, then you should not choose a personal profile. You need to go with a public page. So once you tap on public page, you need to go with next, and you need to enter the page name. Go with next. So make sure to enter a good name. And after that, you can choose your category. Like if you want choose a personal blog, you can go with it, or product or service, art or musician. I'll just simply go with the personal one. Tap on create, which is on the bottom right, and your page has been created. Now you can promote your page or create content and connect with your fans. Go with continue and enter some general information and your contact information, your location, the hours that are available, and then go with next and enter these informations. And after entering all of these informations, then you'll be able to proceed, and you can also add some pictures, your profile photos, and you can use your page. So you can just simply tap on the page, switch to your page that you've just created. So this is your page. Now you can go with the start tour option, or you can just simply go with the profile, which is on the top right. Go with the 3 dots and tap on your profile. So this is your page. You can scroll down and add some reels or pictures, or you can add some bios to it. So that's how you can create a page for content creators. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.